Hi everyone, in this tutorial you'll learn how to use images as border for HTML elements. The CSS Border Image property lets you use an image as a border instead of the standard border around an element, as you can see in this preview. The border image property has three parts: the image to use for the border, how to slice the image, whether the middle section should be repeated or stretched. The border image property divides an image into 9 sections. It places the corners of the image at the element's corners, while the middle sections are either repeated or stretched according to the specified settings. Also, note that the border image property requires the border property to be defined on the element for it to function correctly. Repeat example. Here, the middle sections of the image are repeated to form the border. This is done by specifying round in the border image property. And you can see the preview here. Stretch example. In this example, the middle sections of the image are stretched to form the border. This is done by specifying stretch in the border image property. And you can see the preview here. This was all about CSS Border Images. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.